If you follow my channel at all, you'll know that I've been working on building a pantry in my house. It's all framed in and I finished the drywall. And before I paint, I want to install these cabinets. And this is about a 4-foot wide by 6-foot long pantry. So what I decided to do was install wall cabinets as base cabinets. And really that's the only reason, is to save on space. Wall cabinets are 12 inches from front to back, and a base cabinet is double that, about 24 inches. So obviously that wouldn't work in here. So the original design of this pantry, and the reason I built it just over 4 foot this way, is because I was just gonna do 2 24-inch cabinets, but that design changed, and that happens. So what I'm gonna do now is this L shape. I think it's gonna be nice and clean, and I'm gonna try and match it with whatever shelving I do. Open shelving to have plenty of space for overstock. And in case you're wondering, the brand of these cabinets are GHI, and the color is Arcadia White. One feature I like about these cabinets is, like with this bigger cabinet, there's no center frame piece, which is called a stile. So there's nothing there, nice and wide open. This is a shaker style, and I like the look of this. And I had a little help designing this, where I picked up the cabinets, they had a design software, put the measurements in, and came up with this. And I like it. If you needed to know how to turn wall cabinets into base cabinets, I hope the video helps. And if you want to see a ton more home repair videos from me, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.